We're going to look at what is required to integrate DocuSign with ProFile. So let's have a look here. In the options menu, there's an integration menu item. And if we look here, it says DocuSign. So it says, get started by connecting your existing DocuSign account. So you will need a DocuSign account to be able to integrate into ProFile. Also look here, it says not connected to Intuit online login. So we have to also have an Intuit online account. Two logins will need to integrate DocuSign with ProFile. So if I go to online, you can see it says sign in. So I can sign in if I have my account and password, I can just sign in. I'm going to also show if you don't have an account, I can create one. So I'm just going to call this tax company and then create an account. So what's required here is that you use your email and create an account, and it's going to require a phone number where it sends a confirmation code just to make sure that to verify who's creating the account. So I'm going to pause it at this step because I'm going to have to put my phone number in, and I've now successfully logged into my Intuit ProFile account. So I can just finish. Now I can go to the integration box, and I don't get that red warning anymore. It tells me that I'm connected. So now that we've seen that once you log in to ProFile online account, you can link to your DocuSign online account. Let's just look at the file menu. And if I look here, I have eSignature. And instead of having the prepared documents or the dashboard, I have to connect. So I have to be connected first. So if I look here, if I have my DocuSign account and I also have my Intuit online login, I can connect and it'll take me. So there's a couple of ways you can get to the login. Just to show again, this is another way. You don't have to necessarily go to the online. You can just go to eSignature and connect, and then create an account from here. So we've shown here how to integrate ProFile and DocuSign. You'll need a DocuSign account, and you'll need Intuit ProFile online account also. I'm going to show a setting that we need to make in DocuSign. I just want to mention that this DocuSign integration with ProFile is only available to people with a license for 2020 or for higher years as we go forward year to year. It's not available for earlier years, and it's not available for OnePay or for trial customers. I just want to show you how to set up the date so you can get the time when you put a date tab on the T183, because you'll need both for electronic signatures. So I just logged into my account, and I'm going to go up to this window here, Settings. And it's going to just pull up the settings. And I'm going to go over to the left here and click on Signing Settings. And then scroll down this page. And under Document Formatting, I've got the date here, so I can just check the formatting, make sure it's right, but I'm happy with this. It's got the format CRA uses, it's got the year, month, day. I just need to change the formatting for the time. We're going to need the hours, minutes, and seconds to put on the T183. So I'm going to click this one, and whenever I put a date tab on a T183, it'll use this format for the year and for the time. So then I just need to go up to save, and then I've got this set so I can acquire the signature and the date and time.